Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel which is Network Talks. Today we are going to discuss about F5 health monitors and how custom monitors can be defined using string. So normally when we use the monitors under pool, we use the default monitors. For example, TCP. So due to this, F5 checks the availability of all the TCP services and accordingly marks the pool status as available or down. Now today we will discuss about configuring our custom health monitor using string. So before starting our video, please like my video, share my video, and if you are new to the channel or you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe to my channel which is Network Talks. Let's proceed. Now we will create one pool using default monitor and we'll see how it works. So to create a pool, you need to go under local traffic. Under pool section, just click on add button to add new pool. So pool name you can give anything, like I am giving Network Talks. Okay, description is optional one if you want to give, or you can leave it. Under health monitors, I will be choosing the default TCP health monitor. When you select TCP default monitor, so what F5 does, it checks for the availability of the TCP services on the pool member. If that particular service is available, then it marks pool as available, otherwise down. Under node list, I will select one node, this one 10.11.16.5.8, and service port would be 8080. So I will show it to you that what is available on this particular server on the port. If you see my this browser window, I am accessing 10.11.16.5.8. Okay, 10.11.16.5.8, and on port 8080 I am getting this page. This is working, so I am adding this particular web server on this 8080 port under our pool. Just click on add to add that entry and just finish it. Now if that service is available and that particular web server is reachable from the F5, then that pool will get marked as available. So I think there is a mismatch. There is already one pool with the same name, so I will give pool name as Network Talks 1. Okay, and just finish it. Now our pool is created. I will check what is the status of a pool now. Now if you see, the pool status is showing as green. It means the pool is available and our services are reachable from the F5. So how the health monitor is done right now? It is done with the help of the default health monitor, which is TCP. Now what is under TCP health monitor? We'll show it to you. Just go under monitors and search for the TCP. So this is our TCP default monitor. I will go into that default monitor, and if you see here, there is nothing mentioned like send string, receive string. It is just checking for the TCP services which are mentioned over there. It means it is checking for all the TCP services and mostly which is mentioned or defined in the pool. Okay, so this is a default health monitor and this is how it works. Now we will create one custom monitor. Okay, and we'll see how we can custom the string value under that custom monitor, and only that string will get matched. And if that string gets matched, then and then only that pool will be marked as available. So I will again show it to you. On this particular web server on same port 80, I have created one virtual directory. So if I do the test here, I'm getting this page. Now I'm accessing this directory here. So when I'm accessing this full path, I'm getting page as available. So I will show it to you under notepad. So this is my directory, like /test/directory site.html, and when I'm accessing this particular path, I am getting page as available. Now I will force F5 to check this path which is highlighted here. If that particular path is available on the web server, then and then only my pool should be marked as available. If that path goes down like /test/directory site, then my pool should be marked as a down. So how I am defining it, like I am asking or forcing F5 by using custom health monitor to forcefully check for that path. If in case my path is down but that 8080 service is available on the web server, still F5 is going to mark that pool as down. Then how it is going to be done? It will be done with the help of the custom send string. Then how we are going to use this string, I will show it to you. So this is the string. I'll copy here and paste it out here. So this is the custom string which we are going to use. So here my path would be this one, slash test slash directory site. Okay, my host will be 10 11 16 5. Okay, slash r and slash n are the representation and interpretation of the line termination characters. So normally slash r refers to carriage return and slash n refers to line feed. These are used to accurate the construction and parsing of the HTTP request. Okay, so before checking anything, first of all you need to verify under F5 that if particular this path is available from the F5. Okay, so how it can be done, because see, this is working from your browser, okay, on your system, so this is fine, but it should be reachable from the F5 itself, otherwise there is no point, and at the end the pool will be down. Okay, so we need to check this under F5. So there is a curl utility available in the F5 itself. So how it will work, you will just do curl and put the path, okay, and just enter it. Now if you see here, it is showing available, so I am getting the same page which I got on the browser, right? Means this path is available and we are good to go. Now to create a custom monitor, you need to go under the monitors and click on add button to add the new monitor. I will give any name like custom send string monitor. Okay, now under send string I will mention this one, under send string. Under receive string I will put as 200. So 200 is nothing but the status code. So when there is a successful response, then it means the status code as 200 means okay. Okay, I'm putting 200 there and just finish it. Okay, now my custom send string monitor is done. It is created. Now under pool I will go under our pool which is created. So I will remove the default monitor and I will use our custom send string monitor. Okay, and just update it. If that particular path is available now, currently it is unknown, then my pool will be marked as a up. Now if you see, it is marked as a up, right? Now to verify if our custom string is working, what we can do, I will remove that particular directory or the path which is running on the web server, and if that is not available, then as per our configuration F5 should mark that particular pool, this pool, as down. So we will see by removing that path. Now I am on the web server where my virtual directory is configured. So if I go under this view virtual directories, I will go here and see this virtual directory. This is the path slash test is configured in our custom send string monitor. So now I will remove this directory. Okay, now as I have removed the directory, now if I access this path, I am getting the page as file or directory not found. I can even try curl now on the F5. So I am getting an error that that particular path or the resource might have removed. Okay, so in that case my pool should be marked as a down. So I will just refresh it. Now if you see, the pool is down. Why it is down? Because we have configured the custom health monitor, and under that custom health monitor we have forced F5 to check for this path if it is available on the web server. So right now it is not available, that's why F5 has marked that pool as down. Now again I will add that virtual directory on the web server and we'll see if that pool come up. Now I am on the web server, I will add virtual directory. So there is nothing right now. I will add virtual directory. I will add path as test because we have configured the test. Under physical path I will select the directory where our web file is available and OK. Now again we have added our path on the web server. We'll see if it works. Now if you see, we are getting available page now. We will again check under F5 CLI as well. We are getting as available. Now our pool should be up, I will go under pool again. Okay, if you see, it is showing up now because our path is now reachable from the F5, and that's why F5 marked that pool as available. So this way you can configure the custom string under health monitors, and you can manipulate or force F5 to use your custom strings to define pool status. Hope you find this video useful. Like my video, share my video, and do not forget to subscribe my channel, which is Network Talks. Thank you.